Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V70 FE and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select System Management and click on Date and Time. And now you need to switch off Automatic Date and Time and select it manually from the list. And that's it. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just unmark the stop indicator and it will be set automatically again. This panel also allows you to switch the time zone, so you can turn off automatic one and then select it from the list. At first, pick the region and then time zone if there is more than one. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.